Hi guys, so I'm doing another MyFirstWigs video. They never disappoint. I'm always happy with the wigs that I receive. So I'm just showing you a little information slip, and of course you get a wig kit. Now if you do want one, you do have to purchase it separate from your wig. You get a little pamphlet. You also get a rat tail comb, an elastic band, wig clips, and you'll also get some bobby pins as well. And also got a wig cap and a hair pick. And all their wigs do come with a little pink travel bag to keep it stored in when you're not wearing it. So here's the hair. I'm pulling it out of the bag. So as you can see, it's very kinky. It is a Kinky straight lace front wig, which is what I wanted. Something that looks very natural, as you can see. As always, the hairline does come pre-plucked, and the lace is a medium brown color. And on the inside, you get 3 combs. So if you didn't know, MyFirstWigs is the sister company of RPG Show. As you can see, the packaging is very similar, but with the name, of course, it's for those who are just getting into wearing units. As always, I'm going to tint this lace and bleach the knots just to match my skin tone. And this is after I have done so. As you can see, the lace is much darker and it's going to match and blend into my skin really well. And this is just what the hair looks like after letting it air dry after being washed. So of course, I'm going to be laying this down. So I'm going to use some alcohol just to remove makeup, any dirt, grease, oil, any of that. Just remove it from your skin so that it will lay nice and flat when I apply this glue. And I'm just going to use those hair clips that came in the kit to help pin the hair back so none of it gets in the way while I'm laying this glue down. And of course I'm using the Bold Hold Lace Cream. I also have a video on that, but I'm just going to do 4 layers of the cream. That 4 layers works really well for me, that I find, so that's what I do. And I let each layer dry clear before applying another layer, and then once all 4 layers have dried completely clear, I will lay this wig down. And as you can see, I just start with a little bit at the top and then spread that out. A little goes a long way, so you don't want to apply too much because you don't want it to be too thick. You want a nice thin layer as you lay it on. And this is after I finish all 4 layers, and I'm going to lay it down. Make sure you really pull it tight. Make sure there's no bumps while you're laying this down. Like on the sides, you see I'm really tugging it, making sure that it's laid nice and flat. And here I'm just cutting off some lace around the ear because I want it to lay nice and flat right there. So the glue hasn't completely dried down yet, but once it dries, you won't see the hairline and you won't see the little white line. And I'm going to tie this down. I just used an elastic band or a little headband, and I just cut it so I could tie it around my head. So this is actually the next day. As you can see, look at that hairline. It looks really nice. It's really melted. I like the little bun I have going on, but I really love this texture because it looks so natural. And it looks like my natural hair, even though it's not. But you can get the look without, the wear and tear or putting heat on your natural hair, which I really love about this wig. I love just the natural state of this hair, but I am going to put some heat to it because I want to see how straight this hair can get. Of course, it's not, silky hair, so it's not going to get bone straight, but I am curious. So I'm going to use this flat iron protector because I do want to protect this hair, and I want it to last as long as possible. And I'm going to use this straightening brush, which I think is really great for lazy people or people who don't have a lot of patience. So this is what I'm using because it can detangle and straighten at the same time. And just to go over the details, this is 20 inches, which is great because it's not too long and it's not too short. Like, it's the perfect length for me. And I love the hairline from MyFirstWigs because all their wigs come pre-plucked, which saves me so much time on having to pluck in the hairline. I can literally just, throw it on if I want, but of course I have to tint the lace and bleach the knots, but it still helps save time on plucking the hairline. I don't know if you can tell, but this hair, it does have like a little wavy texture in it while it is still straight. So all I'm really doing is straightening out the little waves that's in it. But it's not going to get bone straight, but I love it in its natural state because it's just so big and fluffy. And like I said, it looks like my natural hair. You can't beat a wig that looks like your natural hair. And this is a lace front wig, but it does have a lot of parting space that you can work with, and you can still do different hairstyles because I did do a half up, half down, as you will see later on in this video. Yes, look at this hair, guys. I can't get over just how natural it looks. Like the hairline, the hair, everything. It looks so good. Definitely by far my favorite wig at this moment. Like, my favorite. So here I'm just going to part a little part with my fingernail because it's just convenient because it's right there. But I'm just going to do a little half up, half down look because I really like how it looks pulled back. And this concludes the end of the video, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about this hair because in my opinion, it's bomb. It looks so natural. Like I said, it's my favorite. I'm going to be wearing this a lot. You guys have already seen pictures and videos. But like I said, comment down below. Let me know your thoughts and opinions, you guys. And I will definitely see you in the next video. Bye.